The 1971 and 1979 2 New Pence coins are generally common, but ultra-high-grade examples in mint state, MS 66 or above, can be highly sought after by collectors. Their value increases significantly in such conditions, especially if the coins display full original luster and no signs of wear or tarnish. The 1979 2 New Pence coin is part of the British decimal coinage system and was minted during a time of transition in the UK's coinage. While most coins from this year are considered common, certain features, errors, or specific historical nuances can add significant value to a coin. Here's a detailed breakdown of the value and potential errors associated with the 1979 2 New Pence. 1. Background of the 2 New Pence coin. The 2 New Pence coin was first introduced in 1971 as part of the decimalisation of the British currency system. From 1971 to 1981, the denomination was inscribed as New Pence. After 1981, this was replaced with 2 pence. Therefore, all 2p coins from 1979 bear the New Pence inscription, making them standard for that era. However, collectors often look for rare varieties, minting errors, and exceptional conditions that can elevate the coin's value above its face value. 2. Rarity and value. The 1979 2 New Pence coin is not inherently rare in standard circulation. Millions were minted, making them widely available. As a result, a regular 1979 2p coin in circulated condition holds minimal value, typically around its face value, 2p, or slightly more if in uncirculated or brilliant uncirculated, BU, condition. Circulated coin value, 2p to 20p. Uncirculated or BU coin value, £1 to £3. However, coins with errors or other unique traits may fetch significantly higher prices. 3. Notable errors to look for. Error coins are highly sought after by collectors. Some potential errors associated with the 1979 2 New Pence coin include die errors. These occur when the minting die is damaged or improperly prepared. Common signs include double striking, where elements of the design appear twice. Off-center strikes, where the design is misaligned. Planchet errors. These occur due to imperfections in the blank metal disc before minting. Examples include missing parts of the metal, lamination issues causing peeling or flaking, misprints in the New Pence inscription. Any anomaly in the lettering, such as missing or misaligned letters, can add value. Wrong metal composition. Though rare, a coin struck on the wrong metal planchet, e.g., nickel brass or another alloy, would be a highly valuable error. Proof coin errors. Proof coins are specially minted for collectors with high-quality finishes. Any flaw in a proof coin is particularly valuable since quality control is usually stringent. 4. Identifying and valuing errors. To assess whether a 1979 2 New Pence coin with an error holds significant value. Condition. Coins in mint or near mint condition are worth more. Error rarity. Unique or less commonly found errors fetch higher prices. Professional grading. Having the coin graded by organizations like NGC or PCGS can validate its authenticity and increase its value. Error coins from this period can sell for £50 to £200 or more, depending on their uniqueness and demand in the market. 5. Factors that influence value. Condition. Coins graded as MS, mint state, by professionals can be worth significantly more. Demand. The collector market can fluctuate, affecting the value. Rarity of the error. The scarcer the error, the higher the potential value. 6. Where to sell or evaluate. Online auction sites like eBay. Coin dealers or numismatic fairs. Professional valuation services. If you suspect your 1979 2 New Pence coin has an error, consider consulting a numismatics expert to confirm its authenticity and potential value. The 1971 2 New Pence coin is a notable part of British numismatic history, marking the transition to decimal currency in the United Kingdom. While this coin is generally common due to its large mintage, certain variations, errors, and conditions can make specific examples rare and valuable. Below is a detailed exploration of the 1971 Two New Pence coins' history, characteristics, potential errors, and valuation. Historical context and design. The Two New Pence coin was introduced as part of the UK's decimalisation process, which replaced the pre-decimal currency system. Decimal Day occurred on February 15, 1971, and this coin was among the first decimal coins issued for public use. Design features. Obverse. The obverse features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. This design was used on British coinage from 1968 to 1984. Reverse. The reverse, designed by Christopher Ironside, features the badge of the Prince of Wales, a plume of 3 ostrich feathers encircled by a coronet, with the motto Ich diene, German for I serve, beneath. The denomination New Pence is inscribed above. Specifications. Composition: bronze, 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, 0.5% tin. Weight: 7.13 grams. Diameter: 25.91 millimeters. Edge: plain. The bronze composition makes the coin prone to tarnishing over time, but uncirculated examples can retain their original luster. Mintage and commonality. In 1971, over 1.4 billion Two New Pence coins were minted, making this a widely circulated coin. As a result, most examples are worth only their face value unless they exhibit exceptional features or errors. Rare errors and varieties. 1. Misstruck coins. Misstrikes occur when the coin is not properly aligned during the minting process. This can result in off-center strikes. The design is shifted to one side. Partial blanks. Parts of the coin lack design features. Value. Depending on the severity, these errors can fetch £20 to £100 or more at auction. 2. Die cracks and cuts. Die cracks appear as raised lines or blobs on the coin due to damaged dies. A cud is a specific type of die error where a chunk of the die breaks off, leaving a blank area on the coin. Value. Die crack and cut errors can sell for £10 to £50, depending on their prominence. 3. Double strikes. A double strike occurs when a coin is struck twice, resulting in overlapping or doubled design elements. Value. Double-struck Two New Pence coins can command £50 to £150 or more. 4. Incorrect planchet errors. Occasionally, coins are struck on the wrong metal planchets, such as those intended for other denominations. Value. A Two New Pence struck on a different planchet can be worth hundreds of pounds, depending on its uniqueness. Valuation based on condition. The coin's value also depends on its condition. Circulated examples, typically worth their face value, 2 pence. Uncirculated examples, worth £1 to £5. Proof coins, specially struck for collectors, these can sell for £10 to £20 or more. Conclusion. While the 1971 Two New Pence coin is generally common, errors and high-grade specimens can make it valuable. Collectors should examine coins carefully for rare errors and consider professional grading to maximize their value. Collectors should examine coins carefully for rare errors and consider professional grading to maximize their value. The 1979 Two New Pence coin is part of the British decimal coinage system and was minted during a time of transition in the UK's coinage. While most coins from this year are considered common, certain features, errors, or specific historical nuances can add significant value to a coin. Here's a detailed breakdown of the value and potential errors associated with the 1979 Two New Pence. 1. Background of the Two New Pence coin. The Two New Pence coin was first introduced in 1971 as part of the decimalisation of the British currency system. From 1971 to 1981, the denomination was inscribed as New Pence. After 1981, this was replaced with 2 pence. Therefore, all 2p coins from 1979 bear the New Pence inscription. making them standard for that era. However, collectors often look for rare varieties, minting errors, and exceptional conditions that can elevate the coin's value above its face value. 2. Rarity and value. The